Cordoba is a beautiful and historical Andalusian city located in the province of Cordoba on the Guadalquivir River. The city has a fascinating history, and it was a key strategic location for both Muslims and Christians, as well as a sizable Jewish community. Buildings and monuments across the city reflect the complex cultural fabric that makes up the city's past. Cordoba is an excellent site to begin your journey across the Andalusian countryside, or to explore the real Andalusia. It's also a great place to visit for a day trip from Seville. By rail, the distance between them may be covered in 40 minutes. Its beautiful old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with winding streets, flower-filled courtyards, welcoming squares and bustling pubs where you can see a flamenco performance or enjoy the local food. Cordoba is at its best in the spring, when the scents of jasmine and orange blossom abound, particularly in May, when many of Cordoba's traditional fiestas take place. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Throughout its history, the city has reflected its Roman heritage as well as the coexistence of Christian, Islamic and Jewish traditions. The Jewish Quarter, the Calahorra Tower, the Roman Theatre, Caballerizas Reels and Plaza de la Corredera are all worth seeing. Taking a guided tour of the city's attractions or following one of the tourist office's suggested thematic routes such as Roman Cordoba, the Caliphate route or the Fernandine route of medieval churches is a fantastic way to get a feel for the city. Medina Zahara, Spain's largest archaeological site, is about 10 kilometers from the city and has direct bus lines to there. Medina Zahara is the ruins of the medieval Caliphate capital and has been a World Heritage Site since 2018. The city's appeal extends beyond its major monuments. Take a stroll to discover a maze of narrow streets. Callejón de la Luna and Calle de las Flores are must-sees, squares, fountains and flower-filled courtyards. Indeed, these are the focal points of Cordoba's major fiestas. The May crosses, the Battle of Flowers and the Railings and Balconies competition are all held in May, and the Courtyards Festival is a World Heritage event. This is the time of year when the city is alive with flowers, outdoor flamenco shows, and a festive vibe fills the streets. The month ends with the Feria de Cordoba. Going out for tapas, trying the traditional dishes of the local cuisine, discovering the equestrian art, enjoying a flamenco show in a tablao, or relaxing in an Arab bath are all special experiences in Cordoba. The best known areas for tapas are the historic quarter and the neighborhoods of San Lorenzo, San Andres and Santa Marina. With shows at the Caballerizas Reales, you may enjoy the equestrian arts and culture of the Andalusian horse all year. Meanwhile, several tablaos in the Old Town Center host regular flamenco music and dance events. Finally, you can relax in a modern hammam, in the Arab baths in the Jewish Quarter, or when you book the Andalusia experience in the Cordoba tourist office.